I just finished banding the females that I'm for sure females, besides the little banties. I also caught 90% of the males and clipped their wings. So I couldn't catch Doodles and I couldn't catch the Banty hen, but I will get them. So here's the picture of the ducks playing. They like their pool. I put a little bit of scratch feed in there. The chicken scratch in there. And they got right in there loving it. So, I don't know. These are all males. He likes to attack my thing here. What? You gonna attack it? But the females, they're over there. You can see a lot of them. That one's got a peak. They're trying to get on top of here. I turned it over because it's got a bunch of algae and stuff growing in it that I forgot to bring the scrubber outside. I was going to bring a scrubber in and I forgot it. So now I just need to there you go, Mom. I got the ducks a proper pool. Let me throw some. And this chicken over here keeps getting up. What are you doing? Brought a cup of scratch in here so I could, you know, entice them over to the area so I could catch them easier. Come on. Come on. Yeah, they're a little hand shy right now because I just put something on their feet. Didn't I, baby? Come here, duckies. Throw some more scratch here in the pond. Where the duckies? Here are you silly chickens. Of course, Blackbeak's over there with the chickens, but he could be over here with the duck stuff. There you go. And it's a little bit closer to the ground so you can get in easier as well. Trinket right there. She's still a tiny little chicken. It'll be interesting to see what she does. If she gets any bigger, she stays up that size, or if she eventually feathers out. I don't know. But all right, well there you go. Chickens are banded and cut. So I did something useful today. And the chickens also like to drink out of that, so I guess that gives it another source of water. I put their waters in the shade. You want some? Right here. Right here. It's in my hands. They're gluttons. Pigs with feathers. Alright, just a little update. Now I gotta put the little feeder on the rabbit cage. Alrighty. Last look at the ducks. I need more ducks. Alright, bye YouTube.